Is your garage door off its hinges, creating a safety hazard and leaving your property vulnerable? This frustrating issue can occur if the door is forcibly opened or if its components are worn out or broken. Don't let a detached door compromise the security and functionality of your home. If you're in the Calderwood area, take action now by calling 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to provide fast, reliable repairs, ensuring your garage door is securely reattached and functioning smoothly. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Contact us today for expert garage door repair services.